Most drivers think that traffic lights are only important during the day. But at night, traffic light becomes even more important. When roads look empty, some drivers ignore the red light and speed through intersections without caution. That single mistake can lead to a serious accident within seconds. At night, visibility is lower. Vehicles, pedestrians, or tricycle may suddenly appear from another direction. Traffic light helps control movement, reduce confusion, prevent collision. A red light means stop, whether it is in the daytime or midnight. Ignoring it can put your life and the life of others at risk. Remember, arriving a few minutes earlier is never worth risking a life. Obey traffic lights, stay patient, stay safe, arrive alive.